Oh my God. Well, yep. Oh my God. Yep. Well, as you guys can see, I'm still at work. Unfortunately, I don't have my maxi mug right here, so we're going to start this thing right away. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And so unfortunately, yeah, we can't take a sip of coffee today. First, it's hot outside, and yeah, I'm at work. I don't have it with me here. But anyways, before we do anything else, first we're going to look at market performance. Which again, I already know a lot of you like jumping off a cliff right now. Second, we look at prices in details, and right after that, check on our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? Anyways, guys, I told you, right? Macroeconomics. Pay attention to those things. If you do, it will make you an insane. And when I say insane, I mean crazy amounts of money. That's what you will do. If you do not pay attention to the macroeconomics, you are going to be the mayor of Rex City, right? I told you. A bunch of people talking about, oh, markets dominance here, Bitcoin doing this over there, this one doing this and over there, my grandma running to the grocery stores, and Uncle Tommy rolling down the stairs because he's too fat to walk down the stairs. I mean, I kept telling you, watch macroeconomy, didn't I? And what happened? Powell comes out and like, yeah, we are not cutting rates anytime soon. And what did you see? Price just oh my God. I told you, the things we've been talking about on this channel. Interest rates, inflation. You got, because right now I think we're at, inflation is rated at what, 2.3, 2.5? I don't know, I can't recall. They need to drop it to 2%. That's what they need to do. Okay, and after that, they print the money, which again, I told you, they have already started. That's the reason why they are not cutting rates, because these guys, they are buying the US bonds. They are buying them. I told you they would do this. Like when you talk to people and they tell you, oh, Bitcoin is going to 300,000, all they are counting on is that the government is going to come out and open that printer like it was going out of style. But what they're not looking at is that the US dollar index is not free falling like they think it would, because these guys they found another way. Economy 101 will teach you that. Economy 101 will teach you that. And that bonds they're buying is the same equivalent as printing money. And I told you, right? Price of Bitcoin came up and I told you, look, watch, there are other things you need to watch, like the M2 supply, the move index, and all those stuffs. All they're showing you, and again, I'll say it, Bitcoin, $120,000 very soon. It will pump out there to 140 or 150,000. Okay, that's what I think. I always give you guys a range, 140, 150,000, or if it push it, 160. But it's not going to be a mega bull run, because economy does not look good. Okay, economy does not look good. And if you pay attention, yeah, you will not be left holding that hot potato. I told you, right? And now see it, macroeconomy taking a hit. What's happening to Bitcoin? Bitcoin's taking a hit, right? And what's happening to the dear altcoins? Altcoins are taking a hit. So Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go up. Bitcoin drop, altcoins drop. I told you, this cycle for Bitcoin has completely changed, because right now, people with big money, BlackRock's, Marathon, all of them, they are the people controlling the price of Bitcoin. And they're here to make profit. It has changed. It's not going to be like it was before. The only thing that's going to remain is that we have a 4-year cycle. And this 4-year cycle is going to come. We'll have a Bitcoin halving. And then everything will go like it's supposed to be. But again, I will say it. This bull run, that as we know it, is not going to be like that. Okay? There is so many things playing against Bitcoin right now. So many things. And by the time they decide to cut rates, trust me, inflation will look a little better. And that's the goal. The goal of them doing this. It will look a little bit better. Bitcoin going to shoot up 150, 160,000, and we'll close shop for that. That's what it's going to be. The only question is, when are they going to do this? I told you guys, I am paying attention to July, August. Paying attention to that time frame. If they don't do it and move it forward, well, that means we keep on waiting a little bit. But I don't think they are going to do that. I don't think they are going to postpone it, because economy is so bad right now. You saw it, right? Powell said it. Inflation is worse than he thought. Just like Trumpicius Magicius has been saying. At least he's right about something. Okay, guys. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, Trumpicius Magicius is finally saying, yeah, I was right about something. When, me, I've been right all along. I've been telling you the same. Money is not going to trickle down. Did you see how low the Bitcoin market cap dominance dropped? Did you see it? Again, market cap dropped, Bitcoin price dropped, altcoins, some specific altcoins, they dropped with it, right? The same thing I've been telling you over and over again, that this, my friends, this is how it's going to work on this run. It's not going to be like a lot of people are telling you. You know what? Let's check it out right quick. Let's check it out. Let me show you something. Let's check this out. Trading view. Let's see here. Go to search this and go to BTC. Market cap dominance. Here, open that up. See? Look at that. See? Market cap dropped. See? It dropped. And Bitcoin price dropped. Therefore, altcoins also dropped with Bitcoin. Now, look at it. Bitcoin started pumping. Market cap started going up. Guess what? Altcoins also started pumping with Bitcoin. And like I'm telling you, man, I don't know how to say it in a way that you will understand, because this run is not, how do I say this? It's not like most people are expecting. So when you start looking at this kind of stuff and you go look at everything else that we're looking at, it begins to tell you a different story. Okay? Not like most people will sit here. Bitcoin maxis, they want you to FOMO in. They want you to FOMO in because they will use you for exit liquidity. I told you, the average person has $1,000, okay? Has $1,000 to invest. Where do you think you are going to make more money with that $1,000? A Bitcoin or in Kaspa? Or damn sure even Cubic. Where do you think you're going to make more money? See? Or even Quant. You need to think about this kind of stuff, because yeah, they tell you, oh, Bitcoin is going to go to $250,000 or even $300,000. Okay, that's what most of these maxis say. And you begin to ask yourself, how high can the total market cap go this run? You got to figure out, okay, if you put 2 and 2 together, we may have probably $6 trillion market cap for the entire thing. Bitcoin, all coins, 6, or if it get pushed, maybe 7. That will put Bitcoin at what? 150, 160,000 at 7 trillion market cap. Okay, so if it gets there, all coins with it, for the, let's just say Bitcoin takes what, 70% of the entire market cap and the rest goes to altcoins. So where do you think the money is going to come to buy Bitcoin? I told you it's changed because as soon as we introduce the government in, institutions in, as soon as BlackRock found out, like, listen, instead of me depending on the S&P 500 on the rest of them, I could make money trading Bitcoin. That was the beginning of the end of it. Because like I told you, and the average person only got $1,000. If you put that on Bitcoin, I don't think after 6-7 months or whenever the price peaks out, which again I said, pay attention to July and August. It may change, go further. But I like to look at the market to tell me what to do next. But let's just say $1,000 in there in Bitcoin. Bitcoin hits 150,000. I don't think you're going to make more than two grand out of it. See, those are the things that I want you to pay attention to. Put that in Kaspa. Okay, $1,000 in it, you get 8,000-9,000 coins, and Kaspa goes to $1, $9,000. You have 9 times your money. Kaspa goes to $5,000. I mean to $5. Yeah. I don't even want to mention my own price. A lot of you know I believe Kaspa is a $10 coin. Kaspa goes to $10, $1,000. See, you will make enough money, okay, from Kaspa, from Cubic, from Quant than in Bitcoin if you are the average person. Because if you did not get into Bitcoin when it was below $10,000, I'm sorry to break this news to you. You are late to the party. It's that simple. So, I don't know. Maybe you want to do on leverage. Maybe leverage trading will help you on that. But I can also tell you that leverage trading Bitcoin with $1,000 is the closest way to Rex City than you could ever think. Because if you trade at a 3x, your $1,000, I don't think it will make you much. For you to make money on leverage with $1,000 on Bitcoin, you'll probably be looking at anything above 10x. And 10x is trading in dangerous waters if you don't know what you're doing, because you can wake up next morning and your $1,000 is completely gone, liquidated. So, to help you from that headache, in my millionaire journey, we look for things that are way better, like Kaspa. Kaspa, yeah, I know. If I put 1,000 in there, there is a potential anything between $50,000 to $90,000. It's potential. You look at Quant. I put $1,000 in Quant. There is a potential it can get from $30,000 to $70,000 or $80,000. See, those are the potential that are there. Cubic, even better. Put $1,000 in Cubic right now, and that thing goes to 3 zeros and a 2. Yeah. I'm telling you that now everybody else who is waiting for alt season, there's one I heard today. He was talking about, and we're going to see 2025, the end. Bitcoin is going to then start moving till then, and then all the market cap will come down. I just looked at it and laughed. It's like, are you paying attention to your surroundings? Are you paying attention to what's happening with every government? Again, yeah, if it was before the government and institution got into Bitcoin, then yes, this would have been something that the Bitcoin maxis, they can cling on to. But ever since we have the government in there, Trumpicious Magicians now know he can make money with Bitcoin. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, again, look at the macro. Jerome Powell comes out, speaks for the macro and whatever. Look at the market, what it do. If you still believe that the money is going to trickle down, I don't know about you, man. I don't know. Not this run. This run is not going to trickle down. I gave you a lot of instances. 2008, well, let's just say 2008, Bitcoin wasn't around. 2020, when the COVID happened, that was a macroeconomic, right? What happened to Bitcoin? Did it go up? Because we know with the trading not happening, the US lost a lot of value. The US dollar lost a lot of value. But did Bitcoin go up? Nope. Again, that's the same situation they're telling you right now. The dollar is going to lose a lot of value, and then Bitcoin is going to boom, go up. Really? There is so many things against Bitcoin. It's like people are not paying attention to. I do hold Bitcoin, and I hope it goes to $3 or probably half $500,000 so that I can sell my bag and be done with it. That's what I'm hoping. But the journey to there is not going to be like most people are expecting. That's not going to be that. I think, if you ask for my own personal opinion, I think the government is going to crash Bitcoin because they have to buy it. You know, Trump said it was strategic reserve, right? Do you think the government is going to come out and buy $150,000 Bitcoin? Pour like billions in there right now to make other countries that got ahead of them rich? Come on, guys. You got to have some common sense here. I think they're going to crash it. That's just like I've been telling you, it's going to be a mega, super, duper bear market. That's what it's going to be. Okay, and then a lot of people are going to realize this. Okay, because the recession is not a joke, guys. Recession is no joke, and you're about to see it. Don't say I didn't warn you. I say, and I will say it again. Macroeconomics. If you know how to read the M2 charts, go look at it. Look at the move index. Look all those stuff. What are they screaming? We're about to drop off the cliff. That's what they're screaming. So if you was around and you think 2008 was bad, watch what's coming. Therefore, yeah, those of them telling you $250,000, $300,000 this run, yeah. Yeah. See, they keep kicking the can down the street. Oh, cut interest. No, we're not doing that. We're going to cut it this one. Cut interest. No, we're not doing it. We're waiting for inflation to come down 2%. No, next thing you know, when they cut this thing, okay. Okay. I told you, they only have this much room. They cannot do it right now because if they cut, it will mean printers goes on. They can't. They're just buying those bonds to balance up a little bit until that thing is going to be like, okay, it's 2% inflation now. Okay, now we can, but it's not going to be like you think. Like I'm saying, right now, 103,000 is Bitcoin. You about to see it 120, 140, 150, or even 160. And that will be it. Regardless of the price, I will keep looking at the market. I will keep looking to see how everything is performing. Because once the market tells me it's time to close shop, guys, I will close shop. That's what I will do. I don't care whoever says what. You already know me. I don't wait for price confirmation. I usually just do it and keep on going, right? Anyways, right now, let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay, where's my good friend, Crypto Bubbles? Let's see what we got going on. See? Again, look at Bitcoin. Look at altcoins. Look at market dominance. You see, Bitcoin market dominance is going up and altcoins are running. Instead of what happened before that, market dominance drops and altcoins drop and altcoins go up. It's the opposite. Anyways, it's up to you, right? It's up to you. Okay, now let's go first with our king. Let's find King Kaspa. What we got here, KAS. Let's look at what's going on. For the past hour, Kaspa is up 1.6%, 0.7% down on the day, 6.6% down on the week, 42.3% up on the month, and 10.6% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.86 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $108.10 million. Let's go look at Quant, a banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. We have here 0.6% up the last hour, 4.5% up on the day, 4% down on the week, 48.3% up on the month, and 3% down the year. See, I told you pay attention to that number. It's almost turning positive. But anyways, sitting at the market cap of $1.38 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $25.28 million. Now, looking at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, we have here 2.4% up the last hour, 3.4% up on the day, 7.7% down on the week, 30.1% up on the month, and 12.3% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $858.32 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $59.90 million. Now I look at Cubic, high risk, high rewards. Now we got here 0.8% up the last hour, 0.3% up on the day, 5% down on the week, 10% up on the month, and 73.9% down the year, sitting at the market cap of $163.79 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $1.90 million. See, I'm telling you, high risk, high reward, in the sense of that it's a high risk because the market cap is almost zero, almost nothing. Okay, that's why I call it a high risk. But the high reward is if Cubics goes to those, let's say, $1 to $5 billion market cap, yeah, you will start to see it. Anyways, now let's go look at Bitcoin, the orange coin. See, Bitcoin dominance going up, prices going up. The altcoins that we just look at, what do you think they're doing? I told you, it only depends on the coins that you are holding. And oh well, for the past hour, Bitcoin is up 0.5%, 0.7% up on the day, laying flat on the week, 23.2% up in the month, and 55.7% up in the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.07 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $26.71 billion. Again, if you pay attention to those kind of things, you will see that those numbers, guys, it looks like something is about to happen. It looks like this price of these things is about to take off. Okay, the volume is low. Okay, prices, they are like squeezing. Something is about to happen. Now let's go look at TradingView right quick. If you look over here, no, not here. Best if I look here, TradingView right here. Let's go look at TradingView, because again, a lot of people are not paying attention to it. I already showed you this. Bitcoin market cap dominance, see, is going up, and all coins are going up with it instead of the opposite. Usually be when Bitcoin dominance goes up, all coins drop. If Bitcoin dominance drops, all coins go up. But this one is acting way different. I told you, don't say I didn't warn you. But anyways, let's go look at our king first, Kaspa. Is it this one? Okay, you remember yesterday I was telling you I'm not a good, I don't like when price breaks out and it does not come to retest. That right there is a uncertainty that usually happen. Like people usually be like, okay, I think that was a top, and they start to sell. But if it comes right away and retest that resistance, turn it into support, then this right here we will not be having it. But right now we're having some kind of descending channel. That's where Kaspa in. The good thing about this is like when you look at the ribbon, it's green, despite the fact that price is going down. Ribbon still green, which tells me that this thing might be a fake out. Like, okay, we are going down, there is a lot of people longing, so they pretend to go down, so people close those longs, or they put themselves in shorts, and bam, market reverses and you get handed the hot potato. That's what I think is happening here. But well, let's watch and see what happens later. If you look at it on the daily, like I already told you guys, we have our own price target. Now you look at it on the daily. The funny thing here that the price is coming to ride on the moving average. So yeah, I'm telling you, I believe that this might be a fake out. It may bounce on that moving average like it has done, or might go further, bounce on the moving ribbon and take off from there. And I already told you the price targets. The first one is 15, almost 16 cents. Second one, 18 cents. And after that, we do have the all-time high, which, like, yeah, the falling wedge on the weekly has, you guys already know, if you know technical analysis, target of the falling wedge is always the beginning of it. If it is bearish, rising wedge, or falling. If it is bullish, it's a falling wedge. And in this case, it's a bullish one because Kaspa formed a falling wedge. And that's what is going on. Anyways, let's go right quick. Let me go back on the hourly. And let's go look at quant, QNT. Right here. See? I told you, right? Look at my lines. You see the top one, the green one above. See it? We went. Quant did exactly what I was expecting Kaspa to do. It broke out, like you can see, from this, from the green line. See? We broke out. Quant came back. Sorry about that. Then quant came back, as you can see, retested that line, turned it into support. Now price is going up. So yeah, that is what I'm telling you about. It's always a good thing for an asset to do this. When you go, let me go right quick on, probably it's on the daily to see it. No, that's too big. See, quant right now is forming a bull flag. Okay, this line, we're gonna put it there. We're gonna move this one down here and this one right there. Try to get as many touches as possible. See, quant is forming a bull flag. Like I told you guys, you don't want to jump into a trade without knowing what's happening. And now the bull flag that quant is forming is now let's go here, grab a trend line. Now breakout, okay, is here. We go all the way up to where it is right there. Now we're going to clone that line, and now we're gonna grab it. It's not gonna be perfect, but yeah, at least you will have an idea of what I'm talking about. So right now this is just something closer. We put it there. Let me go on the weekly and let's see $151. I told you so many times, I have told you, if you look at quant first, that 105, then $125, then exactly to 151, just like I've been telling you. Then we'll value the market and we'll keep on going. Quant is running. I don't know about you, but this thing is going. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. I gotta hurry because I'm at work, and let's go here, MY Jasmine, and let's see. Jasmine is doing exactly like I told you. There is price action, but Bitcoin goes up because Bitcoin started to show signs of going up. Look at the ribbon. It has already started turning green, right? That's the first sign. I was telling you guys, pay attention to that curving up, the first sign of the ribbon. Now, if you go look at it on the 4 hour, look on the 4 hour right quick. See? It bounced right on the moving average. Now, all we got to do is wait to see if Bitcoin is going to break that $105,000 and keep on going. Because if it breaks it, this downwards price action you're looking at on Jasmine is going to be completely useless. I'm telling you, Jasmine does everything that Bitcoin does, but in the magnitude of 3 times or something like that. If you look at it on the daily, let's go here. See? I told you, right? Look, let me bring my arrow out right quick, and we go. I told you, Jasmine is just, look, up, comes down, bounce, up, bounce, up, bounce. Now you're about to see this thing. The next bounce probably is going to take it to 2.3 cents. Then bounce again. The next one, I'm telling you, it's just doing this. It's just the same motion again. Up and a bounce, up and bounce, up and a bounce. And even now, even more, because the price, the moving ribbon is green. Right? So I don't know. I have my trades open already, so it doesn't really matter to me what Jasmine does or what Jasmine does not do in the short term. Okay? Now, if you go look at Bitcoin right quick, let's look at Bitcoin. Because a lot of people, like I keep telling you, it is all depending on the macro. See, everybody who was calling a double top for Bitcoin, what do you see? Let me zoom it out. Bitcoin is in an uptrend. An uptrend, no more, no less. Okay, hold on. Let me try another one. I like this BTC USDT. And we're going to take the Binance one. Yeah, that's the one I like. That's where I have my lines already, and I don't have to redo them again. See, Bitcoin is in an uptrend. And look at that, we just passed my green line, and just like I told you, it's going to pump. Bam, there we go. Wait for my purple line. We're going to have a little breather, and don't tell me I didn't warn you. Okay? Don't say I didn't warn you, because I've been telling you, yeah, watch August, July, because this thing is about to cause a lot of pain for a lot of people. On the hourly, you can see after the macro did their thing, yeah, Bitcoin is also going to do the same. But this is just short term. This will not last long. It won't, because Bitcoin is in an uptrend. Look at it on the 4 hour, sideways, consolidating, because when I zoom out, look, it's a bull flag. See, Bitcoin is about to take off, and everybody else who is telling you that all season is not here, I don't know what to tell you. well, it's up to you. You make your own judge, and your decision, and you go with it. Okay. Anyways, now let's go back here right quick. Now let's go look at my positions. Okay, I know a lot of people, when they saw the market doing their thing, they were wishing I was going to Rec City, and I laugh about it. Okay, so down below I do have the Margex, I do have Wix, I do have Bydfi, and also Phemex. If you want to leverage trade, just follow the links, meet the deposit requirements, and they will give you free money. Then you can practice. Okay, do not venture into leverage trading without practice, because you are going to lose all your money. That's it's as simple as that. Okay. Anyways, now let's go here and look at first. I'm telling you, I'm at work, so I have to rush this thing out. My Bydfi, which again a lot of people were calling for Rec City. Let's see. Maybe I'm buying the Lambo today. Who knows? If you guys can see, with the market doing its thing, look at the graph on the left, on the right. You see, my graph is going up again. I'm up $13,000. And if you're going to look at my contracts, you will see that, come on, I have a lot of signal problems here. Excuse me. Let it finish loading up. There we go. If you look at my contracts, you will see for my Kaspa, I am still down 38%, which is 3,400. And for my Quant, I am also still down 12%, which is $1,200. Okay, that's the way I trade. I don't know about you. Anyways, let's go right quick. Look at the Phemex. Let's see what Phemex is saying. There, I am trading King Kaspa and the Japanese Bitcoin. Today, I am still up 11,400. Okay, if you look at my contracts, you will see for my Jasmine, wow, it's doing way better. I am still down 62%, which is 6,800. And for my Kaspa, I am up 48%, which is $2,000. Okay. And now, not last but the least, let's go look at Wix exchange. On Wix, you guys know I'm trading King Kaspa plus the competition I got into. I'm trading Quant. So as you can see here, my overall, I am up $5,000. See, I told you. Well, if you look at my contracts, you will see that here, my Quant competition, I am up 30%, which is $410. And for my Kaspa, I am up 57%, which is $1,000. Now, if you want, you can pause my videos and you can look at my numbers if that's what you want to do. Anyways, that being said, guys, like I said, as you guys can see, I'm sitting in the truck and I have to go back to work. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to like and comment. Maybe you like what I said, or maybe you don't like it. Who knows? I just want to know your opinion. And also don't forget to share, so that other millionaire minded attitude like you and yours truly, we can see these videos, and then the family can grow. You never know what you will learn from a stranger, right? That being said, guys, until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? And bye-bye. They don't believe that macroeconomic is going to do it. Man, a lot of people will be left holding that hot potato. I hope it's not you. I really hope it's not you. Bye-bye.